Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share some bridge lesson plans of English method. Before get into the topic, we have to understand what is bridge lesson. So it is typically refers to a lesson which is designed to bridge the gap between what students already know and what they need to learn. In this video, I am going to share my 3 bridge lesson plans of English method. So let's discuss our first bridge lesson plan. Here I have chosen article as my first topic of bridge lesson plan. On left side I have written 2 points of pre-knowledge of students. There are students will have some knowledge about articles and students can speak, write and understand simple English. And on right side I have written objectives of lesson plan to develop skill of introduction, illustration, board work and probing questions. And second point is students will learn about articles. In micro teaching we used only one skill at a time, but in bridge lesson plan we have to cover all the skills in one lesson plan. As we discussed, I have used all the skills in bridge lesson plan, and as a teaching material I have used blackboard, chalk, grammar book and duster. In introduction, I have asked 4 questions to students. Then comes a statement of aim and presentation. Then concluding statement. By explaining our topic, we have to parallelly write it on board. So this is our first bridge lesson plan. In second lesson plan, I have chosen degrees of comparison as topic of my bridge lesson plan. In pre-knowledge of students, I have written only one point, students can understand basic English. And in objectives, to develop skill of introduction, illustration, probing question and board work. Reference material, English grammar book of standard 9th, and I have mentioned page number. Teaching skills, we have to cover all the skills, introduction, illustration, probing question and board work. As teaching material, I have used a water bottle, soft drink bottle, notebooks, phone, tablet, journal and chocolates. Introduction. It is activity based introduction. Here I asked 2 or 3 students to stand up, then I compared their heights to give example of tall, taller and tallest. Second point is a statement of aim. Then I discussed all the types of degrees: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Then comes concluding statement. While discussing our topic, we have to mention important points on board and ask students to write it in their books. I have given some examples of all the types of degrees of comparison and also asked to students to give examples of our topic. Board work of second lesson plan. Here I have written types of degrees of comparison and its examples. So it is second lesson plan. And our third and last topic is adverb of time and manner. In pre-knowledge of students, I have written one point, and that is students can read, write and understand simple English. Objectives are to develop skill of introduction, illustration, probing question and board work. Reference material, English grammar book. We have to mention all the skills here. Skill of introduction, probing question, illustration and board work. As teaching material, I have used chalk, board and duster. In introduction skill, I have written one sentence on board and asked questions regarding this sentence. Second is statement of aim, and third is presentation. Here I have explained types of adverb, adverb of time and manner, concluding statement. Here I have given some examples of my topic and ask some examples from students. And board work of third bridge lesson plan. Here I have written meaning of adverb and I have discussed two types of adverb, adverb of time and manner. I have written meaning of both the types and I have given examples of this. So that's all for today. If you found it helpful, then do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.